incompressible soul, my soul is in one part quite clear to see. In other part a mystery remains. I hold a soul of pure complexity, like fluid that a cloister's cup contains. It breathes out sense of dissonant delight. Its color is an opaque crimson red, but all its flavors harmoniously unite. By Dionysian fires my soul is fed. A few small sips are all it takes to find the sharpened sense of feeling more profound, to leave the heavy mysteries behind. With such a skillful touch it's quickly bound to make my soul transparent to the mind. For me